Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC and account. Install a current Android emulator that supports Google Play because Google Pay requires Play services. Once done, sign into your Google account inside the emulator and add your phone number for card/SMS verification. This is how Google confirms ownership. Make sure your emulator has at least 8 GB RAM allocated and 10 GB free disk space so Play services run smoothly. Otherwise, installs fail. Now open Play Store and search for Google Pay to begin installation. You install and configure Google Pay inside the emulator and then add payment methods because that is how you make transactions from the PC. After installing, open Google Pay, tap Add a payment method, and enter your card or UPI details. Verify with the OTP sent to the phone number tied to your Google account. Note, emulators don't provide NFC, so you use this setup for online checkout and in-app purchases inside the emulator, not for tap-to-pay at physical terminals. You finish by using Google Pay for online purchases inside the emulator or for merchant sites when signed into the same Google account. This is the practical way to use Google Pay on a PC. Complete transactions by choosing the saved card or UPI and confirming the OTP. If something goes wrong, make sure Play Services is updated. Clear cache and data, reinstall Google Pay, or switch to a different emulator because some emulators fail safety net checks. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.